Hi there. Have you been following the Apparel Mentor for a while and kind of wondering what it's all about and if you're thinking of joining? I just wanted to pop in and talk to you guys a little bit about that and who it's a good fit for. We're starting a new session and we're looking for new members for the Apparel Mentor program. And it's good for people that are serious about wanting to start a clothing line. It also is good for people that literally don't know anything about the industry and they don't know where to start, and you haven't really even started anything yet. That's okay. The program is set up for people that are green to the industry, and we walk you through the process from having an idea in your head to all the way through production. So it's a 20-week program. You meet with me live every week. We have a topic every week. There's other apparel entrepreneurs in the group as well. So you get to do some networking and hear other people's questions. So again, we're starting a new session, looking for new members, and we'd love to see if it'd be a good fit for you. So check it out by clicking the link below or in our bio. Hope to see you there.